Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reorder clips in CapCut PC. If you've got a timeline full of footage and something needs to move up, slide back, or swap places with another shot, this walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to do it without breaking your edit. This is useful when you're building a vlog, tutorial, reaction video, gaming edit, or any project where the order of your shots needs to feel smooth and natural. Before you shuffle anything, take a second to confirm CapCut's automatic alignment is helping you, not fighting you. Look at the shortcut toolbar above your timeline tracks, and make sure the main track magnet icon, the one that looks like two blue glowing magnets, is turned on. When this magnet is active, clips snap neatly to the edges of other clips, keeping your edit tight and preventing accidental gaps or overlaps. If the icon isn't lit, click it to enable snapping, so your timeline stays tidy as you move things around. This one setting can save you a lot of time, because it helps every clip connect cleanly, instead of leaving tiny blank spaces that can cause black frames during playback. Now locate the video clip you want to reposition on your main track. Click and hold directly on that clip, then drag it horizontally to the left or right along the same track. As you glide over other clips, watch for the thin vertical indicator line that appears. This line shows the exact spot where your clip will land. When the line is in the right place, simply release your mouse. A good tip here is to move slowly when you get close to the target position, especially if your timeline is zoomed out, because it gives you better control over where the clip drops. CapCut will instantly insert your clip there, and the surrounding clips will adjust accordingly. You'll notice that nothing gets overwritten. You're just changing the order, and all durations remain intact. This makes it easy to experiment with pacing, because you can move clips around without trimming them again, or rebuilding your sequence from scratch. For best results, keep your drag within the main track if you want a simple swap or reorder. That ensures you're replacing position, rather than accidentally stacking the clip onto another layer. If a clip lands on an upper track by mistake, it may play as an overlay instead of becoming part of the main sequence. So staying on the same track keeps your edit clean and predictable. If your project includes text boxes, graphic overlays, or other elements on upper tracks, you can realign them just as easily. Click and slide those items left or right so they match the new timing of your base footage. As you move them, you'll see snap lines that help you lock starts and ends precisely to a clip boundary or marker. That visual guide keeps titles, lower thirds, and effects in sync after the rearrangement, so everything feels polished and intentional. This is especially important for captions, labels, sound effects, stickers, and callouts, because even a small timing shift can make them appear too early or too late. That's all there is to it. Enable snapping with the main track magnet. Drag and drop your clip to the new spot while watching the vertical insert line. Then nudge any overlays to match. With these simple drag and drop mechanics, reordering a sequence becomes quick, accurate, and stress-free. Once you're done, play back the section from a few seconds before the moved clip to make sure the flow still feels natural.